I'm super excited to share with you my experience with these amazing outdoor rock speakers. They're perfect for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor space with great sound. I've been testing them out, and I have to say, I'm really impressed. They're so cool, and they look just like rocks, which is awesome for outdoor decor. The design is really clever. It's like they're a part of the landscape, and they come in different colors to match your outdoor surroundings. These outdoor rock speakers are basically speakers that are designed to look like rocks, which is really clever. They're made to withstand the elements, so you can leave them outside without worrying about them getting damaged. They're perfect for home and business owners who want to add some music to their outdoor spaces. I can imagine them being used in parks, restaurants, or even shopping centers to create a welcoming atmosphere. So let's take a closer look at the specs. These speakers have a power output of 60 WRMS, which is pretty decent for outdoor speakers. The impedance is 8 ohm, and they also have a 70V/100V transformer, which is great for commercial use. The tweeter is 1 inch, which is nice and clear, and the woofer is 5.25 inch, which gives you some nice bass. They're also weather resistant, which is a must for outdoor speakers. The frequency response isn't specified, but from what I've heard, they sound great. I've noticed that they handle both high and low frequencies really well, and the sound is clear and crisp. I've been using them in my backyard, and they're perfect for parties or just relaxing outside. They're really easy to set up, and they sound amazing. I've been playing all sorts of music on them, and they handle it all really well. I've had them playing for hours on end, and they still sound great. I've also noticed that they're really durable. I've accidentally knocked one over, and it still works perfectly. In real-world use, these speakers are great for outdoor events, like weddings or birthday parties. They're also perfect for restaurants or bars with outdoor seating areas. I can imagine them being used in a resort or a hotel to create a relaxing atmosphere by the pool. They're also great for backyard BBQs or pool parties. The possibilities are endless, and I think they're a great addition to any outdoor space. Overall, I'm really happy with these outdoor rock speakers. I'd give them a solid 8 out of 10. They're great for anyone who wants to add some music to their outdoor space without sacrificing style or sound quality. I've been using them for a while now, and I have to say, they're definitely worth the investment. If you're looking for a great way to elevate your outdoor space, these speakers are definitely worth checking out. So, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and tech news. I'll be doing more reviews like this in the future, so stay tuned.